Morning everyone, and welcome to Ewetopia. On the way to the barn on a sunny frozen day. I see our feed dealer is already here. I believe he's unloading some of our roasted beans that we ordered. It's our own beans, but we send them away to them to get them roasted. So let's step into the barn this morning and see what today has in store for us. Hello, Mommy. She doesn't like the dogs coming around. Okay, the lambs are under there still, so we'll go check on them after I fed Jerry. Good morning, Jerry. How are you doing? Hi, Jezebel. Hi. Good morning. Hi, Elsie. Hi, you guys. Hello. How you feeling today? You look pretty nice. Yeah, you guys look pretty nice. You got some new friends coming, and they're going to be little, so don't pick on them. Okay, so we're in that used pen right now, and I'm gonna see who she is and get that recorded into my book right here. And then we're gonna write those numbers on her back. And it says that she is a registered Suffolk. So these are registered ewe lambs. And I'll write her tag number down. I gotta configure the display here. Okay, so she's one of our own breeding, and her tattoo is 90. So we put that in there. Looks like it might be backwards on the camera. But anyway, she's all recorded. We said yesterday that we're going to call her the firstborn, so she's going to get a number 1 on her back. The lambs will have that too. And she had 2 female lambs, so she's going to get 2 red dots. And that's all we do for her for now. And now I'm just going to look to see how the lambs look this morning after a night on their own. How's your lambs doing? Oh, you got some debris on you. How's your milk situation? Lots of milk, Mommy. Hi, little lammy. Hi. Hi, little lammy. How you guys doing today? So just to figure out how they are, I'm going to wake them up. And basically, let's see if we can see this. I'll put him on the ground and see what he does. When you wake them up, usually they shake themselves off like that, and they might do a little stretch, and that usually means they're feeling okay. This one, I'd like to see them latch on, but there you go. Okay, so both are latched onto Mommy. The big one needed a little help going down, and it fell off, so I'll just put her back on. So you can see the mom is chewing her cud. When they do that, if you can see her, when a lamb goes to nurse and the mother starts to chew her cud right away, that chewing the cud thing, actually, when she regurgitates that food, it's also her letting down her milk so that the lambs can nurse. So that's what we like to see. So that takes a lot of worry about this pen off. They're doing great. So tomorrow we'll be doing all the recording of the lambs and stuff. Once they've settled down, we do all that on day 2. Today will be just mom and lamb bonding. So I got some rams leaving today, so I gotta head into that barn and sort the 2 rams out that he's taking, and we'll see you over there. So we're in the ram lamb pen, and got 2 boys going today, so I've just marked them. So we got one from Fallon there, the F on his back, and we got one over here from General. He's also got a red mark on his back. So I marked them ahead of time because when the trucker arrives shortly, we'll run this whole group up to the front here and then just pull out the 2, and me scanning them and stuff while the trucker's here and they're in a group is time consuming. So they're all ready to go, and we'll just leave them in here so that they can eat and stuff before they go on their journey. Here's the Dorset ram lambs. They're all eating over the feeders because, like I say, they don't like to have to pull the feed out of the little openings. People use that so that hay doesn't get wasted. But better to have a little bit of wasted hay and the sheep eating and then them struggling and then just walking away and giving up. It's about weight gain, people. And hello, the trucker's here, so we're gonna go have a look at loading those sheep now. Okay, this is where we get to see everybody's trailer driving skills. This trailer's coming in to pick them up. Sometimes you have to help the first timers along. Suffolks are slow to start up, but after 2 days I tell people then nothing beats a Suffolk. But they're not here. Fine, that's it. Just a little assistant. Hi, little guy. Just before we go in for lunch, we're just doing another check on them. So close, and yet so far away. There we go. He got it, you see? Oh, missed it again. Come on, you can do it, buddy. It's not that hard. Buddy, you gotta stay on it. There you go. So the little guy's on the other side. The big one's actually the dumber one. So it's not always the little ones that are the problems. Down, buddy. They always want to go nurse up in the armpit. That's why I like some legs on the sheep so that they can find the nipples easily. She's actually got a perfect placement, but just a silly lamb. She's chewing her cud. And if you see right there, that's yellow poop from the lambs. That's the colostrum makes their poop yellow. So that's a good sign. It means that they've got a lot of colostrum. Sometimes they get it, it's really sticky, that yellow poop. Sometimes it gets stuck on their bum and you have to wash it off, but these guys are okay. But for the first day, it's just making sure they're actually latching on and getting enough milk. Once they've mastered it, it's never a problem. So I'm not gonna go out there, but the combine arrived today. So you can see they're back there. I'm presuming, hoping, fingers crossed, that they can get all the corn off today. You can see we still have quite a bit left to go. And they were real late getting here, but they're here. That's all that matters. There's the end of it. So hopefully they don't have a breakdown and it doesn't get too dark, because the rain's supposed to come back tomorrow and it's just really hard to get into the field these days. So they're working back there, and I'm gonna go check on those lambs again and give Jerry his bottle. And I think that's gonna be it for today. Hi, Mommy. How you doing? Are your lambs under there still? Your lambs in their little cave? Oh, they are in their little cave. Good lammies. Let's see Jerry. Hey, Jerry, you hungry? Oh, come on, buddy. Here. There you go. There you go. Jesse, how you doing back there? Everyone's buying because it's getting dark and they think it's chore time, and which means dinner time. But Arnie's out in the field, so they're just gonna be eating a little later today until we get that corn off. Hi, Jezebel. How you doing, sweetheart? There's Jerry. Oh, and I see the noise has woken one of the lambs up. I don't know if they're both out there, but I'm gonna go check on them in a minute. Oh, look at what Jessie does. Are you getting petted? Yeah. Are you getting petted in your old age? You, honestly, think of cotton batting. Think of a couple inches of it, and that's how soft she is. You're a woolly, woolly little girl. And how are you guys doing? Well, I think you're looking awfully well, I guess you're pretty. Yeah, you're looking awfully pretty there. And how's your sister doing? She's sleeping still. Your sister's sleeping still. Shall I go in there and watch you nurse to see if you can do it this time? You gotta be doing it now. You're not waiting for me to help you, are you? Let's go have a look. There you go. Let's see what you can do. Well, let's see. We got the right area. We got the bunting. Well, we just gotta get... Come on. There you go. It's right there. She's actually on there for a second. Oh, she's got it again. I get it. The other one's still sleeping, so I'm not going to really wake it up, I don't think. This is how loud it is when they think it's dinner time, but it's not. It's not dinner time yet. Arnie will feed you. It's dinner time soon, not yet. Is dinner late? Is dinner way too late? Way too late? Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Is dinner late? Is dinner late? Yeah? Is it really late? You're really hungry? Oh my. Poor sheep. Hey, little one's up. Little one's up now. There, it's over there. There you go. So here's one of the little munchkins. This is the little one. Hello, say hello. Oh, you got a milky mouth. Yeah, you got a milky mouth. Hello. So it's getting dark, so we'll close the door on another episode at Ewetopia Farms. Hope you'll join us all again tomorrow as we go through chores and see what the lambs are up to tomorrow. Bye for now.